A very good morning to all of you. Children, our today's topic is bones. I hope the previous topics are clear to you all. Let's move to the bones. Do you want to know what the bones are responsible for or what they are made up of? Think about it. Will your body stand straight in the same posture it would without having those strong bones inside? क्या आपकी बॉडी स्ट्रेट रह सकती है? आप स्ट्रेट खड़े हो सकते हो विदाउट बोन्स? मोस्ट प्रोबेबली नो. इट विल अपीयर लाइक अ पीस ऑफ जेली. आप सबने जेली खाई भी है ना और देखी है. तो योर बॉडी विल अपीयर लाइक अ पीस ऑफ जेली and you will not be able to stand and walk around. The bones make the framework of our body and this we call the skeleton. जो bones हैं वो आपकी बॉडी को एक शेप देती हैं. bones का जो framework है उसे हम skeleton बोलते हैं. framework means जो आपको ढांचा दिखाई पड़ता है. Touch your body, touch your finger, your nose, your legs, you will feel something hard. वो आपका framework है, that is the framework of the bones, जो कि आपको help करता है move करने में and to stand straight, to bend. The bones have lots of jobs to perform. आपकी body में bone they perform a lot of job. They actually help the human body to stand up straight and support the body. The bones also protect some part of the body which are soft and delicate. As we have studied earlier that brain, which is a delicate internal organ, it is covered by a hard skull, hard bone called skull. In the same way, your heart and lungs, they are also protected by a bony cage, and this is called rib cage. Just like this, other internal organs are covered or they are protected by these bones. In an adult human body, the number of bones is 206 and in a newborn baby, जो छोटे बच्चे होते हैं उनमें the count is 300, around 300. जैसे जैसे आप बड़े होते जाते हैं छोटी छोटी बोन्स जो होती हैं वो आपकी अटैच होती जाती हैं और वो एक में बन जाती हैं. तो इसलिए जो छोटे बच्चे होते हैं दे आर मोर फ्लेक्सिबल. उनमें काउंट जो है बोन्स का दैट इज़ 300 एंड इन एन अडल्ट ह्यूमन बॉडी द काउंट इज़ 206. नाउ the bones they are made up of mineral called calcium. आपकी बोन्स को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाता है कैल्शियम and that's why everyone should drink milk because milk is a rich source of calcium and it makes your bones strong. Let's read out from the book. Press your body at different parts like chest, hands, legs, fingers and arms. You would find something hard. These are bones. ये जो hard part है जो आप feel करते हैं when you touch your different body parts like your chest, your hands, your legs and your finger, these are bones. There are 206 bones in an adult human body. Bones are joined together to form a bony framework called the skeleton. The picture, this is the image of a skeleton system जो हमारी बॉडी के अंदर प्रेजेंट होता है. सी, दिस इज़ योर रिब केज and this is skull. Your head, your brain is covered or it is protected by skull. Then your heart and lungs, they are protected by rib cage. The skeleton gives shape to our body. It also holds our body up and give it a support. It protects soft internal parts of our body like heart, lungs and brains. So what is the function of bones? They gives your body a shape, then it supports the body and it holds the body up. It protects the internal part of our body. Internal organs, you have already studied some of the internal organs. So those internal organs are protected by these bones. The framework of bones is called skeleton system.